Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Gela. Today I'm going to share with you how to make very easy and very pretty flower from celery. To create our petal, we need to make cut under the angle I showing in the video. Almost every vegetable platter we use celery. We can cut it in stripes, but also we can make very interesting cuts with wavy knife. More details you can see on my website gelinthekitchen.com. Celery flower come out so pretty. As you can see, it even has naturally yellow center. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss my new videos.